It's time for another safe and sane demo for you. But before we go through the demo, say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Whoa, Sergeant Pyro, what do we got tonight?
We got Strobe Flower Blooms from the Red Lantern.
Yeah, Red Lantern fireworks. So you can see down here, I'll zoom in on the logo. And for my buddy Ryan in Florida, who's a fellow pyro, he likes the item number. You can see my giant finger here, his item number, the AG 1010. So these are round blooms, and 4 pieces in the box. They're supposed to strobe. Let's flip her around. We got 4 pieces. We got it upside down. Yeah, really, the same old stuff. Is there anything on the side, Sergeant? No.
Negatory.
Negatory. All right, we're going to flip her on back. There we go. All right, Sergeant Pyro, without further ado, are you ready to go to the street pad?
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, so we made it to the street pad. All right, we got them all out there. Let's go, Sergeant Pyro. Dim the lights. There he goes. Now they're supposed to Whoa! Whoa! I didn't see any strobe. All right. Okay, let's try the next one. That was really cool. Okay, here we go. Sergeant Pyro on the lights. Whoa! Whoa! He was trying to catch it. All right. Nice going, Sergeant Pyro. Okay, 2 to go. There we go. Hey, these are all right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think we got a dud.
What?
Yeah. 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 All right, we'll go next to it. That's okay. Duds happen. Duds happen. This is live, people. Yeah, he's trying. Yeah. That's okay. It'll go on at 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa!